first time ever in Run Disney history, we're going to Galaxy's Edge. Ah!
Every change has a reason. Baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at heart.
Alright, so I'm at the Tower Terrace in Tyler and I found. How are you? Gorgeous.
You can do it.
Thank you.
You can do it anywhere. Come on. There's no crying in baseball. You have to go high pitch. That's all. Okay, we got it?
Got it. Oh, yes. And I always have your back right
We are in the Corral 2 starting area and we are waiting for the race to begin and we found Jack Sparrow.
This is sort of commentary on the Star Wars saga as a whole. Speak up, come on, Dark Helmet.
So I found someone on the course.
Hi.
So excited.
Hi. Hi.
Hi. How are you doing?
I'm okay. I've had better starts. Same.
We are coming up to mile 2. We just made it to the boardwalk. It's humid, y'all, and crowded. But I had this one to keep me cheerful.
Yay! I'm glad I have her.
Yay!
Will it be our first? No, we finished the marathon,
Yes.
but it's gonna be our first whole race.
That's long overdue.
Boardwalk may be slippery.
Watch out for the slipperage.
Caution runners, the boardwalk may be slippery.
Oh yeah, it's slippery.
We are almost done with International Squeezeway. It's interesting having the water over on this side and then trash on the other. For the first time ever in Run Disney history, we're going to Galaxy's Edge. Ah!
That's funny.
So we're probably gonna walk.
Yes.
We're taking in the sights and smells of Galaxy's Edge. It's not a bad smell, it's different. Oh my man. Ooh. Hello boys.
Hi. Selfie.
How are you doing?
Selfie here or over there?
Here.
Then they're just flying by. I'm like,
Hello. Why are you Heather?
all of a sudden we're through it too, and I am no longer happy.
I know, way too quickly.
It's just joy.
Mile 4.
Joy. Pure joy. Is that what the sweat is? Yes, it's joy. It's sparkle. Embrace it.
We're also running through Toy Story Land.
Embrace the wonder.
That's a long line.
That is a very long line.
The time is now.
love that character. Oh, very
Oh,
That's a solid 30-minute line.
yeah.
The target is now.
Selfie?
Yeah, let's do that. Mile 5's back there. We just missed it. It's so small. Okay, so we found Jake, and we saw him during the half on marathon weekend, and then he went on to do Princess and Aki's again. Here, I can't talk, good lord. But he's running, so it's exciting. So we have mile 6 coming up. Mile 6 is coming up, which means we're over halfway there. Okay. Mile 6.
All good? All good?
So we have this lovely one looking gorgeous with her yellow butt bow. Nice outfit and nice color choice.
Thank you.
You fit right in.
Here I thought we were gonna miss this thing,
Sharp
Yeah.
left turn ahead.
but no, it's a part of every
Dang it.
Disney race.
Caution runners.
Sweet nibbles, they're having us go on that bridge.
Dang it.
I'll run Disney without a
Sharp left turn ahead.
I thought we were gonna get lucky and go on that
I
side
thought we were
somehow.
gonna do something like that one.
At least it's not at mile 9, like other races.
Mile 10 when you're like,
That's the worst.
Run up the hill, but I just had to get it over.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Look at all those people.
People.
We heard when we were at 6, the balloon ladies were the 5K. So we got a good pace going. Look at that sunset. Sunrise. Good lord.
Some great timing. It's really cool.
This one made us run up the hill, but it burns more calories for breakfast. So,
Mile marker on our
yay. We are coming up to 7.
7. And we get an actual mile marker.
Yay.
Everything. So fancy.
There's the creepy family.
The people with their medals going home.
We are almost to 8 up ahead. Yep, yep, hooray.
And we have more than an hour to make it.
Oh, yay.
Actually, I picked mine up. I said, no.
We are in line to see Jeff Galloway, best character stop there is. And we ran into someone. Hey! We haven't finished a race since Marathon 2020. It's about time.
Dying and she saved me. My angel saved me.
Oh.
And I didn't know her that well, and I was like, "Can I run with you?"
I was like, of
It's
course.
not weird.
No. And then this is where my Gatorade bottle, some guy popped it out of my hand.
And he wasn't cute, so
No.
I would have
Wrong.
liked to return to give it back to him.
No. I was afraid it was going to trip people.
We just kind of kicked it. Sorry,
Yeah.
you slipped on it.
Sorry. We just made it back to the room. We got our Tower Terror 10 miler medal, and Goofy moves up and down a little bit, I think. We'll see. And we got our banana and our box, which is really light. It's good. Let's see what's in it. So they give you chips, cheese, can't have that, and then sunflower kernels, and a banana little fruit bar thing. So, not bad. Alright, thank you so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to tell your friends and family to click subscribe. What are y'all waiting for? Hope y'all are having a great day, and leave a comment below if you're signed up for Wine and Dine, the next Run Disney race. It's not till November, so we get a break. Alright, bye.